Hey there! If you're a student in 2025, trying to stay organized, get better grades, or just survive the chaos of school, then this video is for you. These are 5 free websites that every student should be using right now. They'll save you time, boost your productivity, and maybe even make studying slightly less painful. Let's get into it. First up, Notion. This isn't just a notes app, it's like having a full-on digital brain. With Notion, you can organize your study materials, keep track of assignments, plan your day, and even manage your entire semester with customizable dashboards. No coding, no complicated setup. Just pick a free student template and make it yours. Whether you're planning exams or tracking your OJT hours, Notion makes life easier. Oh, and if you have a school email, you can even get the premium version for free, but honestly, the free version is already a beast. Next, ChatGPT. Now yes, you've probably heard of it, but most people are using it all wrong. This isn't just for writing essays or solving math problems, it's your personal tutor. Ask it to explain a tough topic in simple terms, or have it generate a summary of your chapter. Want help making a study plan? Done. Need mock questions for revision? Easy. It's available 24/7, it's free, and it doesn't care how many times you ask the same question. Just don't use it to blindly do your homework. Learn how to use it smartly. That's how you win. At number 3, we've got Canva. If you've ever had to make a PowerPoint, poster, or even a YouTube thumbnail, and had no clue where to start, Canva is your best friend. It's a drag-and-drop design tool that lets you create stunning designs in minutes. Presentations, resumes, Instagram posts, thumbnails, certificates, done in a few clicks. No design skills required. Start with one of their free templates and just customize it to fit your needs. You'll look like a pro, even if you totally winged it. Number 4, Desmos. This one's for anyone struggling with math, or anyone who just wants to see how equations actually work. Desmos is an online graphing calculator that lets you plug in equations and instantly see how they behave. Want to understand transformations? Play with sliders? Need to visualize functions? Type them in and boom, it's all animated. It's way better than drawing graphs by hand and guessing what it looks like. Whether you're learning algebra, calculus, or just exploring, Desmos makes math visual and fun. And finally, the one that saved me so many times, PDF Drive and Z Library. These sites give you free access to textbooks, research papers, academic books, and more. Can't afford that new civil engineering book? Need a last-minute PDF before an exam? These platforms have your back. Just type in the book name and you'll probably find it in seconds. Use it wisely and ethically. But honestly, for students who can't afford expensive books, this is a game changer. So there you go. Here are the top 5 free websites every student should be using in 2025. Notion for staying organized, ChatGPT for smart studying, Canva for effortless design, Desmos for visual math, PDF Drive and Z Library for free textbooks and resources. They're all free, they work across devices, and they'll make your student life way easier. If you found this helpful, drop a like, maybe share it with a friend, and hit that subscribe button for more tips like this. Thanks for watching. Now go be productive, or at least pretend to be.